I was just thinking to myself, like, why is the weather in this UK so annoying? Why is the weather always angry? To me, I feel like the weather in this UK is bipolar. Because 1 minute it is sunny and happy, the next minute it is raining, it's drizzling and cold. Jesus, I hate cold. I hate cold so badly. Like, the weather just pisses me off. To think that I wanted to go to Canada. See, this life, God is good. God knows what his children can take and what his children cannot take. God knows what his children are capable of and what they cannot handle. Imagine me in Canada. Oh my goodness. Oh, but this small cold here, as people call it, is not small for me. Oh. It's driving me crazy to think that we're not even in winter yet. See what I'm already wearing. It's currently raining. The rain part is one that pisses me off because you can't even go out. And it will just be raining. You know, the rain is not heavy, it's not light. It's like heavy drizzle. Like heavy drizzle. You can't really walk in it for so long and all of that. From morning till night. Why? Why? See my hair. Yesterday made it a year. Like play. A year I locked my hair. My hair is so soft. Like it's woolly, for lack of a better word. And it hasn't finished locking. I don't know if you can see it. Zoe's own has finished locking. And then the texturized part has fallen off. My own is still here. It's trying to lock. It's been 1 year. I've locked it without regret. God is good. Thank you, Jesus. I'm just getting ready to go and pick Zoe and Zane from school. Today I didn't go to work, by the way. I have things I'm doing. And I'll show you what I bought. Just give me a few minutes. Let me be ready so that I'll not go over talk and then time will go. I'm thinking what else I can be using for this my hair aside water and what's this thing called? Almond oil. I use this almond oil for my hair and this coconut oil as well. Oh, the wrapper has gone out. I can't remember the name, but I got it off Amazon, and at times I use Dax and Ori. But I know we have all these hair oils for dreads and all of that, but I'm not really sure which to go for. So far it's been good. It's been good. Yeah, I look good, I look good, I look good. I smell good, I smell good, I smell good, smell good. I'm at home does not mean that I should be smelling like raw meat. Smell good, smell fresh, look good. So this package just got delivered from Temu. It's my first buy from Temu. Let's open it and see. I've been hearing the hype. Temu, I've bought something from TikTok shop, just one of the item I didn't like, and they refunded me my money. They didn't even ask me to return it, and I said I should try Temu because I've also been hearing the hype. And the things are quite cheap. Yeah, they are cheap. They're from China, basically. So let's see. Last time I did an unboxing, I cut the item. Let me be more careful this time. And cold is coming, so I'm trying to gear up because this year I'm ready for this cold though. As the cold is coming like this, I'm going like this. We'll jam our head together. This, okay. We'll open it, yeah. Then this is the second item. This one. This and this. So let's start with this. Okay. Okay, this is for Zoe. Zoe likes all these like fluffy material. She says it's cozy and all of that. So I got her a 2-piece on this waist there for 9 years old though. 9 years old. Zoe is 8 by the way, but she will soon be 9, so she'll grow into it. The length of the trouser should be good. She will like this. Oh, it's so nice. It's cute. I think it's a crop top, if I'm not mistaken. It's crop, or it might be just a normal jumper. This is good. Then this one. Ooh, this is mine. Oh, I like it though. I love it. I love it. I love it. Same material, wool. I will wear it and show you guys. Oh, so nice. So nice. It's like Temu is the new what now? Then this indoor slippers. My current indoor slippers is bad. Okay. This is way cheaper than Primark, by the way. The prices I don't remember at this point, but I'll check and put the prices. Okay. See, there must be one thing that doesn't just fit, because what is this? This is supposed to be a container for spaghetti. You know those containers you put your spaghetti, but what kind of spaghetti will enter this one now? I'm going to return it or request for a refund, because this is not even half of. Hey God, I knew what I bought. I saw the picture. See, this is supposed to be spaghetti container. What will I do with this one now? Just see, just a bit longer than my phone. Anyway, what do you expect? Not that cheap things cannot be good, but at times when the things are, I think this was for £2. Yeah, £2 plus, and in the store for one of it is maybe like £5, and this is 3 of them for £2. But regardless, they should not be selling this kind of thing as spaghetti container. Oh, the last one. The last one. This is for Zane. Oh, Zane, we love this. Oh, Zane, we love this. It's also an overall with tiger head. Zane, we love it. And a tail. I can't wait for him to come back from school, and I will show him and see his expression. I know Zoe will love hers. She loves that kind of material. I was going to buy this for Zoe as well, but I didn't see for her age. I don't think they have this for Zoe's age. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. This is too big, by the way, but it's for kids. It's nice. Beautiful. I think, yeah, that's all. That's all. I'm not missing anything. That's all. So far, this is the worst buy. When I bought from TikTok as well, I had one item that I didn't like. So this is what it's looking like. I like the feel on my body, but no pockets. No pockets. I like pockets. I like clothes with pockets. But so far it's good. Let me show you. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? It's good so far. Let me know in the comment section which of these items is your favorite. For me, I feel this is mine. It's so lush, so soft on my body. Let me know which you like, and if you think there's any other cheap websites with good quality items that you recommend, please recommend it in this comment section for me. Thank you. Ah! Voila, for who don't get tiger cloth.
Mommy, we scared you.
Yes, you scared me. Wow.
And then shake your bum.
Okay, scrubs. You draw the trouser up. Draw the trouser up. Let me see.
Okay, my turn. Look at my turn.
Yeah, I think it's like this.
My turn. Your mouth. Look at my turn. I don't think so.
It's cropped, I think.
I was like, it's so small. Like, look, this is cool. It's so small.
Do you like
Mommy,
it?
look at my tail. Look at my tail.
Your tail. Wow.
Yeah, Mommy, look at my tail.
We have some things to be done. Our house owner has just come to help us check the kitchen and everything. So I want to go and give my tooth food. He wants to eat food.
I couldn't see anything.
Mommy, shake, Mama.
Okay, take first. You see? And you say you are hungry. Eh? Tutu, stop it up. You say you wanted food and you're not licking your mouth. Eh?
I don't want food.
You don't want food. Okay. We are still collecting it. We have a guest coming over today, this evening, so I want to quickly boil rice for everybody so we can all eat rice. I cut out the sauce. We're using ayamashi. I made ayamashi some days ago, and that's what we're using for the rice. I went to the hospital today to take bloods, and it's been really painful. I'm not sure why. To stretch my hand like this, it's painful. The nurse told me that it was going to pain me for a while, but I feel like it's been over 2 hours now, and it's paining me. See, it's really paining me. Maybe it's because it's been long. I don't remember when last needle pierced my skin. So my sister, my elder sister, who is also my sponsor, is coming tomorrow. She leaves Canada today. She went to Canada to see my sister, and she's leaving today. She will arrive tomorrow morning, but by the time she will arrive, we would have gone to church. So we'll just leave the key for her. And then this is like last minute thing, because she was originally supposed to go to her base from the airport, but she decided to stop by and see us again. I'm so happy. And I've not told Zoe. Zoe is not around now. That's why I'm even telling you guys. She went for tennis. So I won't tell her. And then we'll go to church tomorrow, come back, and she'll be the surprise. I can't wait to see her reaction. I don't want to finish cleaning my face now, and then go and make our Sunday food, because I like to cook Sunday food on Saturday, so that we'll just come back from church and, you know, just eat. Because I'm not taking a shower now, I'll just clean my face. Yep. Fresh face, fresh face. I'll just leave my face to dry. I will not dab it or anything, so that it can absorb all the moisture. call those people that travel around?
As a lot of travelers.
Atala just got back from Canada.
I just came back yesterday from the Bronx.
And she's
Hello,
so
Megan.
Oh yeah! Welcome. Oh, I cannot wait to see. The lamb go smiling with the house.
Are you walking?
Yes.
What's wrong?
I'm going to pick Zoe and Zane from school. My sister just arrived a couple of minutes ago. No, I think about an hour ago. And like I said, Zoe is now aware that she's coming. She was supposed to come in yesterday, but because of her luggage, it was a lot. She decided to go to her base, then come today. So I'll show you Zoe's reaction. I'm running late to go and pick her. I'll pick her first before picking Zane.
Oh, raining.
It's raining already. Mama, collect the bag. Thank you.
Canada. So did you travel past Atlantic?
Yes. Atlantic Ocean, yes. I flew over it.
Did you see the polar bears and the penguins and the everything?
No, it wasn't
I saw penguins.
You saw penguins to where?